y'all been going crazy. I got mad videos to show y'all, like, well, not show y'all, I gotta make them, but I do got 2 in the vault. That was back in time, but we'll catch y'all back up. But y'all got me to, like, I think we're at 219 subscribers. Y'all been going crazy. Like, I ain't gonna lie, younger me wouldn't even think this is possible. Y'all probably think this is a joke, but like, I'm dead ass. Like, I'm dead ass. I don't even think I'll be able to drive one of these one day, and I am. Life be crazy. But tune in. Already recorded the video. Y'all gonna see in a second. I'm gonna get with you.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall, while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm out the good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. Ain't got no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my
about to go left or straight right. Driver vibe. Your Honda does that. Okay. Gangsta. Smoking CBD, y'all. You can't smoke legally out here while driving. Y'all thinking I'm mad if I slide, y'all? Fuck y'all look at that. I ain't do nothing. Alright, we gonna continue. Actually, no, we not. I gotta use the bathroom and I ain't going through this shit again. Oh, we never. Yeah. What niggas know about that? What niggas know about it? Y'all not sliding in the parking. I'm a dickhead for that, actually. Come on, nigga. You took. One more time. You probably watch that camera. Hold on. Angle. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, that shit was cool, but we got some angle in that bitch. Hold on, we just slided that whole shit. Nah, that's bad, yo. I was barely giving it throttle too. It's bad. That's not good. Started saying that bitch right after. Word. Niggas was like, don't say that. They ain't tell me why not to say that. I was like, oh, you should have. Yeah, that's why I can't say that dinner table. That's crazy. Niggas used to eat at the dinner table. turbulence. What the fuck was that? Oh, I just cussed again. Nah, that was reasonable. What was that? This time. Nah, get it, yo. Get it. Yeah, huh? It's 4 degrees. Show them that's it, really. I just cussed again. It's 4 degrees. Look at it. No way. There is no shot. That doesn't make them robots. They're robots. I'm telling you, they're robots. They're not real. That's proof right there. Is it not? It's no shot. That's a new one to look into. I didn't know that was possible. You lose traction like that when they be touching the gas. That's crazy. Oh my God. Let's just start back in. I even go for it? This shit don't look right, gang. You gotta have the angle, right? Like that. Boom. That's the best way to do it. It ain't no way you getting it in that lane. That's it. About to slide, probably not the best idea. I mean, that's clout, right? That's views. Try, truck. That's great. That's how my license plate looking like right now. Gangster. Honda Civic. I don't know how I do it. One day I was doing it on accident. I told you about it. Maybe just for the gas. It's not enough. If I do traction fully off, it probably wouldn't be able to do that, but I don't know, that's the best out of the game. But you ain't that ass. I'm not professional, y'all. Nigga spit it. I'm crying. Let me stop that shit. Oh, let's do a lap real quick. Yeah. We show y'all. Huh?
That's 12 right there, again.
Huh? Hey, that's security.
No, it's not. That's for attention.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see that. My bad, brother. You got a G-Wagon? You got a Munyon. Why you gotta park here, y'all? We can't even park here. Damn. Oh, it's mad slow there. I wanted to post up the camera there. That would have been tough. Back up. Oh man. Might not be able to go here. Is this tire stretched out? I ain't even gonna say them words. It's not YouTube safety. But no, tire's definitely stretched. Yeah, I see it. What's going on? I'm trying to remember. Definitely past this. I gotta get back around. Right, this shit gotta bring something. Here we go. We got a little something. It's really wild out. I think we got yeah, let's see the city over there. That's how crazy it be for out here. You just go towards the skyline, you find the main point out here, y'all. Hey, shit. Oh yeah, we in there. Why y'all driving these scary ass niggas? I got the wheel. Keep driving. I care about my car more than y'all. You think I'ma hit y'all? Y'all bugging. Word. Over here slowing down like, you want me to hit you? Like, you think, like, they generally, when I don't understand people's point of view when they do that. When you slow down, are you watching, I hope? Because, like, if you want me to hit you, you're fucking weird. Insurance, going through insurance take mad long. It's not worth it. You're weird. Oh, he's sliding that, but okay. Got a little angle. Got a little angle there. I'm so afraid. You gotta get away from me, bro. You can help on this. That church, though. Picture they will be crazy. The church don't look like that. Stop. Yeah, that's not too that's Liberty down there. Yo, who on you fried, bro? I think it's fried rice. Like be turning green for less than 2 seconds and you honking. Hope your shit flip, boy. Hope your shit flip, boy. Who was driving like a boat for a second? What was that? I believe it. I think if I go straight this time, it's where's y'all at? I didn't even wash my jaw today. I just don't care. Busting left there. Oh, no. It's feeling slippery. Ooh. Oh, y'all didn't even look. Y'all bots. They bots. They ain't not gonna look at the beaver sliding, get it sideways. That is crazy. I bet y'all look. I can't get sideways here, but I bet y'all look. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, I like that. Getting close, That's a sharp spot to drift. I ain't doing it. Oh, we still just, yo, we just kicked up fast snow behind me. That's funny. Side skirted that joke. Alright, wait, it's definitely not right. It's definitely not right. I should have went there. That's a fun little path. Trying to figure out, you know, where we go. Watch your headlights, G. Looking clean, yeah. Oh, you just ego me, bro. I'll smoke your car, little 440. Little 440. Definitely not right, bro. I got it. Mind your own business. Oh, that might be the boys, huh? That might be the boys. No, that ain't the boys. Shut. New shot. I took the right turn on actually, which is kind of crazy. I don't know where we at now. Look at that. We in the tourist part of Rochester. Now I can name drop. It's the only spot y'all ever see if you come out here, because other than that, you might step into dangerous territory. Hey, not even might, you will. No way, we're fucking drifting in the parking garage, y'all. You cannot make this up. Real quick. Oh no, we can't even make it up there for. Actually, is it inches? No, it's deep. Right. Funny as stuff we got here, bro. Here we go. Ready.
2V on the gas, 120 on the dash. I've been with my past, hope this whip don't